Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of Cooking Fever on your phone, no jailbreak computer needed. So as you can see right there, I got unlimited resources, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it, no jailbreak computer needed. So keep watching the video till the end and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly to download this onto your device. It's super insane. So as you can see right there, I have unlimited resources, guys. It actually works. So keep watching the video and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly to download this modded version, guys. It's super insane and it actually works. So keep watching. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Guys, so I'm going to show you exactly to get this crazy Cooking Fever modded version. So as you can see, I got unlimited resources. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So all you got to do, guys, is go ahead, go to your browser, and you just want to go over to Google. And once you're there, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and we're literally just going to go ahead and type in ZooMods. So once you get onto this site, guys, you want to go to the search bar and you just want to type in cooking. And as you can see, guys, right there, it says Cooking Fever Mods. Just press on that. It's going to start to download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. I'm going to show you guys right here. If we go over to the App Store, as you can see, this game is not exactly affordable for the average player. So let me just type it in right here. So Cooking Fever. And as you can see, guys, if we type it in and we come down here and we just go to in-app purchases, look at that, guys. What the heck? So yeah, they're selling the restaurant pack there for $20. That's way too much, guys. So I would encourage you guys instead to just go over to ZooMods and then you can download the Cooking Fever modded version, guys, which is actually working, guys. So yeah, you literally just have to come over here, go to the search bar and just type in Cooking Fever, and there you go, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It actually works. It's super insane, bro. Like, I don't know how they did this, but as you can see right there, I have unlimited resources. It's super insane. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out about this method because it actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it and just get the word out about the tutorial. All you gotta do, guys, is just go ahead, go over to Google, and then once you're there, guys, just go ahead and type in ZooMods, and then once you do that, guys, it should come right up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, get the word out. This is super insane, guys. I can't even believe it actually works, guys, but it does. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, get the word out. See you guys later, and peace out.